tutorial, best full guide, how to use Spotify Mix, everything you need to know. Have you ever opened Spotify and wondered how it always knows what you want to listen to? That's exactly where Spotify Mixes come in. In this video, you'll learn how Spotify Mix works, how to use it properly, and how to get the best music recommendations without doing any extra work. Welcome back. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Spotify Mix, what it is, where to find it, how it updates automatically, and how you can train Spotify to recommend better music based on your taste. First, let's understand what Spotify Mix actually is. Spotify Mix is a collection of personalized playlists automatically created for you. These include daily mixes, genre mixes, artist mixes, and mood-based mixes. Spotify updates these playlists regularly based on what you listen to, like, skip, or repeat. To find Spotify Mix, open the Spotify app on your mobile phone or PC. From the home screen, scroll down until you see sections like Made for You or Your Mixes. Tap on any mix, such as Daily Mix 1 or Daily Mix 2, and you'll see a playlist built specifically around your listening habits. Now let's talk about how to use Spotify Mix properly. Simply tap on a mix and start listening. You don't need to refresh it manually. Spotify updates it automatically throughout the day. If you like a song, tap the heart icon. If you don't like a track, skip it. These actions help Spotify understand your taste better. Next, let's customize your Spotify Mix experience. When you follow artists like songs and save playlists, Spotify uses that data to improve your mixes. Listening to full songs instead of skipping them too quickly also helps improve accuracy. Here's an expert tip many users miss. If you want better mixes, search for a song or artist you like and play it for a few minutes before opening your mix playlist. Spotify instantly adjusts recommendations based on your recent activity. To sum it up, Spotify Mix is a powerful feature that automatically creates playlists based on your music taste. Just listen, like what you enjoy, skip what you don't, and Spotify will do the rest. If this guide helped you understand Spotify Mix better, give the video a like. Subscribe for more simple tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Spotify Mix right now?